Okay, so what do you think about having your own profitable course that is built in automation? Meaning everything is done from sales page funnel down to thank you page and order confirmation. You actually don't even need to create your own course from scratch. All you really have to do is to learn these very simple steps to make your passive income on autopilot. Before we start, hello and allow me to introduce myself. My name is Summer and I own a marketing agency on the side. I started and still am a social media manager and content creator, but being the ambitious person that I am, I always look for methods, systems that could help me diversify and increase my income without me having to work 12 to 16 hours a day, which unfortunately is a reality to many who are always hustling. I'm myself included. Because let's all admit it, we're on the hustle culture now. But it doesn't mean that you're going to stay the same forever, right? Health is always important. So for this webinar, I'm going to teach you how to surpass your 9 to 5 income or even your side hustle income as I did mine. And I'm also going to teach you how to start earning $10,000 to $50,000 a month or even more. It's all up to how bad you really want to achieve this. So first of all, I'm going to introduce you to Master White's digital course. I know some of you are already familiar to it, but in addition to your back knowledge, you cannot effectively sell this without having a funnel that will convert at the same time having an actual good quality product. So this course is for a complete beginner who has no prior experience and also doesn't want to create their own digital products or online courses. Now, let's go into more detailed part. What is this course about? This is called Resell Academy or CRA. Basically, it's taught for you and ready to sell products, and you can resell it with master resale rights 100% of and as your own. Of course, the rebranding, retailoring will be from your part, and you can learn in the latter part. So once you invest in this, it's already yours. You can resell it or sell it to other people. And by the way, there are no upsells in here, no monthly fees, and no need to pay thousands of dollars to anyone. It's a done-for-you course that teaches you everything about sales, marketing, social media, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and all that you can definitely apply in your current business if you have. And the best part is you guys can resell it as your own as many times as you want and keep all the profits. It's a digital course with over 10 modules to complete. This is perfect for beginners who have zero experience in how to start an online business, how to create sales funnel, how to sell, and how to monetize your social media. So there are 3 ways you can leverage this. First one is to leverage digital marketing, social media, and sales strategies in your current business, and you can scale up your niche. Step number 2 is what I am doing right now. I am reselling this, or you can resell this for you and ready to sell digital courses as your own for 100% profit. So again, we're talking about master resale rights here, meaning as you continue and head on for the purchase, you could do whatever you want with it, whether modify it or again, resell as your own. Next, you can also sell this course as an upscale in addition to your existing products or offers. If you have already courses or products, you can add this course to you. And how does it work? If you decide to resell it, I will teach you everything about digital marketing, sales funnels, social media strategies you can apply in your business or niche. But in case you decide to resell it, this is what a timeline looks like once you get to this course. Next is to launch and start selling. So once you're done with the funnels, you can just copy the link of the course, exactly the course, and resell it to other people. And then set up your sales page funnel. And where you're going to set this up is completely free. It's called System.io. But of course, everything will be there in the full course. And you don't have to worry if you don't know how to do this because the course will walk you through the process step by step. Honestly, it took me like just 1 to 2 days, I think, of course, including break. That's basically it. I just thought I should give it a try and finally share it to my social media accounts. If you don't have a social media yet, the course will also teach you step by step on how to grow your audience, and you can pick from any platform that you like, whether Instagram or TikTok. And then after doing all of those marketing strategies, applying all the nitty-gritty that is taught in the course, the next steps that you will be learning from here is to post content to drive traffic to your product sales page link. You could also share testimonials from other people that you can get inside the community. And you can get screenshots of these testimonials and use them in your marketing. One misconception people have, though, is you have to have big audience or big following to make sales. I'm here to tell you that you don't. And this screenshot is one of the clients in the community. You will find several screenshots or reviews over there as well on this page. And even with few followers, I always like to tell this to my audiences that even just 100 followers, for example, you could definitely make sales with this product if you follow the guide. And it's definitely okay to start from scratch because the course will guide you along the way on how to grow your audience fast and start selling. And if you're ready to start grinding, earn your dream 6 figures per month, go ahead and scroll down or click the button below to get started.